Hey everybody, it's Dan with Alpha Traders at Alpha Traders Inc. On YouTube, hit that like, hit that sub. Every Sunday we come at you with some futures look ahead. At Alpha Traders Inc. on Twitter, we're mostly active on Twitter there. Easier to put stuff, easier to put stuff out super quick. Also, alphatraders.com if you're interested in joining. We had a nice little pump to start the day off here in futures, and now we're moving back into that pump. There was a liquidity grab right around here earlier today, which is good. But let's talk about the week ahead and see where we're going. Right now, it looks like let's go the weekly, because I think the weekly is really important. Yeah, let's go the monthly. Why not, right? The monthly is actually starting to. You're holding your base here of 4,100. This is a big number that the market has decided that it's where it wants to go. I think we bounce here, and ultimately I think it's going to be a peak below. We'll create new lows, but it won't be tomorrow. I think it's going to be after FOMC on Wednesday. I think that's going to kind of be the catalyst to go down. Now, there's two scenarios I'm really looking at. One, we work our way up to 4260, I believe, off the top of my head here. Let me get into my daily. I can tell you better. 4236, sorry, 4236. It's a solid area where there was a lot of big orders coming in at 4236. Would not be surprised if we're at FOMC at 4236 or above, even if 42. If you can call this 4280, I have 4282 on an order flow. For me, I'm looking at this and going, I think this is a good fade into the week. And it'll create a low later in the week where we can buy off that and swing it up for the next couple weeks into probably OPEX, the May OPEX. That being said, let's go into what we think the weekly is going to be. Sorry, I'm being very matter of fact today. I can't help it. I think we're going to pump up. These are your two levels, 4162. I have 4164 on my order flow, 4162 on the chart. So it lines up pretty well. I think over this we get to 4236 by Wednesday. I do think we're going to be up here by Wednesday. We'll see how the market wants to react. Remember, the first move is always the fake out. Odds are they're going to say rates are being raised, and we're going to fall back to 4050, this area here, so they can get some longs. It's always sell the news, right? So they've been selling it. But in this case, it's the inverse. It's buy the news because it's been in a downtrend. So I'm looking for a pop-up, and then we're going to sprint down back to 4,100, probably get 4080. We'll probably get right here, and then zoop right back, probably for a trip back up to 4,300 here. I think if all goes well, we might actually go test this area up here. 4502 is what I have on order flow. This would be a great area to short again going into the rest of May. This is probably OPEX, week of May OPEX. Also, there's a lot of funds that a lot of retirement accounts that had to rebalance and whatnot. It's normal structure things for these retirement accounts to rebalance when the market changes. So now that interest rates are going up, they're going to rebalance it a little more. So key numbers for you: 4,100. Obviously, 4080 is as low as I'll go. If I think there's going to be a bounce, if I don't see a bounce at 4080 or even 4060, I might push it. 4050 might be my line, and I'll push it down. I'll see how it goes, and I'll see where the orders are coming in. Daily close over 4162, I think is very bullish. We can gap up off that, or if they want to get it tomorrow and they want to get up there before we even wake up, before the session starts, we can come back down and then rip it back up. But I am looking at 4236. That is my area, 4236 to 4238, right in this area for a short back onto probably at FOMC or into FOMC. They'll probably run it up in FOMC. They'll announce, it'll be the day of, and they'll start going risk off. And then we'll probably have some bottoming here, and then we can rip it back up to at least 4355 and or 4,500. I haven't decided yet. I don't know which way it's going to go. But that's where I'm at this week. AlphaTraders.com, at Alpha Traders Inc. Hope to have you there. Have a good week, everybody. Good luck.